with another video. So हम सब जानते हैं कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ऐसे टॉपिक्स पर क्वेश्चंस आए जो टॉपिक्स ब्रोशर में मेंशन्ड ही नहीं थे. So today we are going to look at those new topics which will be ordering principles in architecture and color interaction. आप ये वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखिएगा because we have a very important announcement to make. So let's start. So आर्किटेक्चर एक ऐसी क्रिएटिव फील्ड है जिसमें फॉर्म डिराइव होता है एक इंस्पिरेशन से. कोई ऐसी चीज जो आपने पास्ट में देखी हो वो आपका सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन बन जाती है, या फिर कोई ऐसा इंटरप्रिटेशन या परसेप्शन दैट कैचेज योर अटेंशन. So, when experiencing forms and spaces in a building, you can be assured that at least one, if not all the ordering principles were applied by the designer. So, let's start with axis. An axis is a line joining two points in space, either vertically or horizontally, about which forms and spaces can be arranged in a symmetrical and balanced manner. तो एक्सिस एक सेंट्रल लाइन होती है जो इनिशियली हमें हेल्प करती है डिजाइन को ऑर्गेनाइज करने में. So the axis can pass through the center of a building or along the entrance doorway. For example, the Taj Mahal in Agra is planned following the central axis to a focal point on the entrance doorway so that the building is focused on the central tomb chamber. From axis, the next principle derived is symmetry. So symmetry is the balanced distribution and arrangement of equivalent forms and spaces on either sides of a dividing line or a plane or the center of an axis. तो सिमेट्री इज नथिंग बट जब आप एक शेप को फ्लिप कर दो ओरिजिनल शेप के मिरर इमेज को अचीव करने के लिए. तो सिमेट्री दो टाइप्स की होती है. द फर्स्ट इज बायलैटरल एंड द सेकंड इज रेडियल. सो बायलैटरल इज व्हेन अ शेप इज फ्लिप्ड ओवर एन एक्सिस ईदर वर्टिकली और हॉरिजॉन्टली, और रेडियली व्हेन इट इज थ्रू अ सेंट्रल पॉइंट. For example, Taj Mahal is planned keeping in mind a bilateral symmetry. The third principle is hierarchy. The articulation of the importance or significance of a form based on its shape, size, or placement relative to the forms and spaces in the organization is called hierarchy. Hierarchy basically architecture में space को organize करता है depending on its importance. Hierarchy can be achieved through a unique shape, size, color, or strategic placement. By doing so, the said figure or form will be easily noticeable from the overall design of the building. For example, ताज महल में जो डोम है वो हायरार्की प्रेजेंट करता है. सो द नेक्स्ट प्रिंसिपल इज रिदम इन आर्किटेक्चर. A unifying movement characterized by patterned repetition or alternating movements of formal elements or motifs can be modified or of the same pattern. So rhythm repetition से develop होता है. Repetition can be a pattern of the same sizes, colors or shapes throughout the design. So rhythm can also be followed on the facades of a building, which can be regular, progressive or flowing. The Colosseum in Italy is a classic example of rhythm in architecture because of its repeating arches. Datum in architecture. So a line, plane or a volume that by its continuity or regularity serves to gather, measure and organize a pattern of spaces and forms. तो datum एक ऐसा form है जो सारे elements को tie करके रखता है. So it could also be a line, for example, a road with houses on either of its sides. Moses Invisible Bridge in Netherlands is the best example of a bridge organizing water and land. Transformation in architecture. The principle that an architectural concept, structure or organization can be altered through a series of discrete manipulations and permutations in response to a specific context or set of conditions without losing its actual identity or concept. Basically, repetition of form can also be called as transformation if it looks a little different each time. तो कभी कभी ये shapes भी transform होते हैं by becoming smaller, bigger or get rotated or narrowed. So this was it for ordering principles in architecture. Now let's begin with color interaction. Our brains rely on context to interpret any visual stimulus. ये सबसे frequent trick है जो play होती है countless times in visual illusions. Generally, humans are very good at distinguishing different levels of brightness, but less good at differentiating hues and intensities. Mixing in tones, shades, and tints expands the basic 12-spoke color wheel into an infinite number of colors. Color context. It's important to understand how color behaves when paired with other colors and shapes to use them in the best way possible. Color is always relative. The same identical color can be made to look like two different colors, and two different colors can be made to look the same simply by placing them in different contexts. The reason is that two colors side by side interact with one another and change our perception accordingly. The effect of this interaction is called simultaneous contrast. The real colors are not altered, only our perception of them changes. Most intense when two colors are complementary. Color effects. Spatial interpretation of the color area in relation to the total visual field. It is how we perceive a color when it appears next to one another. Helmholtz-Kohlrausch effect. Color shift in a simultaneous hue contrast. Boundaries and outlines can create strange distortions in the way we perceive a color. Bezold effect. White and black outlines create completely different visual impressions when the main colors are exactly the same. Color. Yellow as a background color. Vivid and fresh atmosphere, pattern colors become more soft and light. Blue. Blue as a background color becomes very gloomy. Pattern colors look darker and deeper and sharper. So what is crispening effect? Increase in the apparent contrast between two colors of similar lightness increases against a surround lightness of value between them. Brenman effect. As the background becomes darker, the induced lighting in the image causes all the values to appear lighter. This has the greatest impact on the darkest values. Against a light valued background, the lightness contrast causes the image values to appear darker. Complementary colors look the brightest and most vibrant next to each other. The same color can look very different depending on what it's next to. After image effect demonstrates the interaction of color caused by interdependence of color. After seeing for half a minute at the left square, shift the focus suddenly to the right square. Instead of the usual color-based after image that would complement the yellow circles with the blue, their opposite, a shape-based after image is manifested as diamond shapes, the leftover of the circles. Optical illusions. When you have a really big contrast, your eyes jump from one color to the other trying to get the whole picture. This creates the illusion of movement. So this was it for color interaction. Now for the big announcement. So we have created a set of 10 mock tests for the second attempt based on the questions that had come in the first attempt. If you'd like to purchase it, do DM us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is justartinclined, or you could also email us at info.artinclined@gmail.com. Do like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get notified every time we make a new video. Until then, bye.